I kind of like the way Scottsdale blends things into the community. You can be by a pump station or a lift station, and you don't know you're by a pump station or a lift station. When I started in 1987, water hadn't changed much for the 50 years before, and then about that time, about 1990 on, things really started changing with water treatment.
I think a lot of people don't realize what goes on behind the scenes. It's like when they open up the faucet, there's water, they don't realize there's somebody there, but behind the scenes 24/7, making sure that they have that water and it's safe for them to drink, it's being monitored, tested. There's eyes on it constantly to make sure it's safe.
At night, you're kind of just here, keeping an eye on everything, making sure everything's ready for the morning guy. So in the summertime, you're making sure everything's full, for the big demand that's going to come in.
We go out and we maintain the facilities and things like that, but we're on site all night. When it leaves your house, it has to go somewhere. A lot of people never actually take the time to think about where your water goes once it goes down the drain. They just think it goes away. So basically, my job as a wastewater treatment professional is to basically protect the environment. Overall, you're removing bacteria, doing more things with water, and recharging the ground, supplying water to golf courses and things like that, which is pretty impressive compared to other places that might just let it go down the river.